All right, folks, we just viewed the Cypress. You're gonna notice not every home looks cookie cutter. Different layouts, different colored exteriors. Some have the outdoor shutters, some don't. And see what I mean by the wide garage? You can literally fit three in a whole row right here. That's what I mean by 12 cars. All right, this Amherst is one-of-a-kind layout as well. Our neighbor put a swinging bench right here. French doors, both open. Controls are right there. Oh, would you almost miss that? Makes me want to swing from the chandelier. I know, right? Linen closet, jacket closet. All right, let's just go straight to the juicy stuff. Mudroom. Remember, every home has a mudroom. Back to that wonderful ceiling. Just love the built-in shelves. I forgot to mention about how this works. I've looked this up and it's over $1,000. These microwaves. All that patio space. Wow. Patio and deck. Thank you for viewing the Amherst. This one only has 3 bedrooms usually. The primary and the 2 upstairs.